my new Temu parcel that's just arrived. So yeah, I'm going to unbox it for you guys and see what we've got. And my little one is excited because I think he knows what's in here. So yeah, so I am going to organise my little boy's play area. I'm going to make it all nice. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the rug that I've currently have for my little boy. Like, it is a total mess. Like, all these little strands are just coming off. I think it's when I'm hoovering and all these little bits actually just get stuck in there. So this is gonna go away because now I have a new one. So I am in my little boy's play area because you'll just see him running around at the moment. So yeah, I'm about to open this parcel by Temu and I'm going to organise this area behind me because it is full of a mess. You know how we are mums, you know how the toys are, it can be chaos. So I'm going to tidy it up, make it all nice and neatly and make it just look like a really nice play area. So I got two things from Temu. Let's see. So this is for my couch. I'm going to cover it up with this nice beige cover because I do have the one over it, but I like to just cover it with like nice layers on. I don't know why, I'm just like that when it comes to my couch. I just like to layer it all up because I know my little one, he tends to spill things and just make a mess on my couch. So I do like to cover up with an extra layer, but I know it's the beige one, but it doesn't really add loads of dirt on my couch, but I just picked this up because I really like the colour. So let me see, it feels really nice and soft, so like a nice velvet plush. Oh, you'll see him popping through. Are you saying hello? So this is what it looks like, stretchable, and this can fit on a double couch on two-seated. So this is what I've always wanted for my little one. Ooh. Wow, are you enjoying that? You know what we have in here? What have we got? What is it? I think he knows, guys. Do you know what it is? What have we got? What's Mummy got? He's got a rug, guys. A nice cream rug with cars on. Feels super soft already. I have my tape measure and I like to measure things before I buy stuff. So it feels super soft. It's got like a nice car, little house and a little bed. So yeah, this is going to be perfect for his little area that I'm going to organise. Done. I absolutely love it. I just love all the cars and all the cute little wildlife. I just really love it. Really does go well with my nice cabinets with all this toy. Definitely goes really well and it actually feels super soft, guys. Like, really does feel super soft, but I will leave a link in the description box down below. So yeah, I've organised all those toys. I probably need to organise a little bit really, but I've just organised as much as I can because it is so much toys he has. So much toys. Super happy with my new little rug for my little one. Wow! Do you like your little area? He loves his little area, guys. How cute! How soft. Is that a blue car? Oh! So I'm about to do the couch now. update on my Tamagotchi. He is doing amazing. Let me check him. So he's 6 years old, guys. Can't believe it. He's 6 already. Nearly £10. And yeah, he's already fed and he's happy. And yeah, guys, he's doing amazing. So yeah, I just thought I'd share with you little updates because I know I said I will. So yeah, he's doing amazing, guys. So guys, that is the end of the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.